Welcome to Vcare, and welcome to this 10-minute yoga flow for grounding and energy. Today's session is all about reconnecting with your breath, grounding yourself, and gently energizing the body. This is a perfect reset whether you're starting your day or need a midday break. Let's begin. Sit comfortably on your mat, cross-legged or kneeling. Rest your hands on your knees. Gently close your eyes if you're comfortable. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale out slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale fully, letting your spine grow tall. Exhale and let your shoulders drop. Bring awareness to your breath. With each breath, feel more present. Notice the rhythm of your breath. There's no need to change it, just observe. Inhale and exhale. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. Feel the stillness between each breath. Allow your body to soften just a little more with every exhale. Let your face relax. Unclench your jaw. Soften your eyes. Release your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel your shoulders melting away from your ears. Let go of any tension in your neck, your arms, your hands. Feel supported by the earth beneath you. Imagine roots extending downward, steady and calm. This is your time to simply be present. When you're ready, come to all fours, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, drop your belly. Lift your chest and gaze. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin to your chest. Flow with your breath. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. Continue at your own pace, warming the spine. Tuck your toes, lift your hips back and up, downward facing dog. Press your hands firmly, soften the knees if needed. Feel the stretch along your spine and legs. Take 3 deep breaths here. Now slowly walk your feet forward to the top of your mat. Let your upper body hang heavy in a forward fold. Relax your neck. Inhale, lift halfway, hands to shins, spine long. Exhale, fold deeply. Inhale, rise all the way up, arms stretched to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart. standing tall in mountain pose. Feel your feet grounding into the mat. Breathe in presence. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back to plank, then lower to the mat. Inhale, lift into cobra, gentle back bend. Exhale, press back to downward dog. Breathe here, then step forward and rise to stand. Let's do it once more, a little smoother. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back to plank, then lower to the mat. Inhale, lift into cobra, gentle back bend. Exhale, press back to downward dog. Breathe here, then step forward and rise to stand. Step your right foot back, bend your left knee, reach arms up, warrior one. Open to warrior two, arms wide, gaze over your front hand. Breathe here, strong and grounded. Now straighten both legs. Turn toes slightly inward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold into wide leg forward fold. Hold for a few breaths, then rise and switch sides. Step your left foot back, bend your right knee, reach arms up, warrior one. Open to warrior two, arms wide, gaze over your front hand. Now straighten both legs, turn toes slightly inward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Come back to seated. Place your right hand behind you, left hand on the knee. Gently twist. Inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale to deepen the twist. Switch sides. Place your left hand behind you, right hand on the knee. Gently twist. Now extend your legs forward. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Let go of tension. Breathe into your legs and spine. Come back to a comfortable seated position or lie down. Feel the effects of your practice. Let your breath settle. Inhale peace. Exhale release. Thank yourself for showing up today. You can stay here as much as you like, and when you feel ready, open your eyes and come back to seated position. Thank you for practicing with me today. You was great. If this brought you clarity or calm, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Vcare for more. See you next time.